Hello and welcome. I'm thrilled to introduce the second Urology Simulation Boot Camp. Last year in Dubai, our first boot camp was a tremendous success, and the positive feedback that we had from candidates and faculty was truly encouraging. This year, you can look forward to an even more immersive experience, hands-on training, and one-to-one mentoring with expert faculty, and a supportive learning environment designed specifically for urology residents, specialists, and young consultants.
What makes the bootcamp unique is the style of training. One-to-one teaching, simulation-based learning, and immediate feedback from experienced faculty. It is an opportunity not just to learn, but to practice, make mistakes, and refine your skills before you step into the real clinical setting.
Participants will go through 4 modules. It's mainly focused on increasing your core skills. They will have one-to-one with an expert faculty to take them through a high-fidelity simulated training. We have 4 modules this year, including laparoscopy, endoscopic prostate procedures, stone surgery, and also functional urology, which will involve incontinence and various methods to treat that. I really encourage you all to attend and see you soon in Oman.
Join us in Oman and give yourself the best start to your urology career.
If you're looking to improve your practical skills in urology, we encourage you to join us. See you all in Oman.